Good morning to all. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Wish you a happy new year. May Almighty bless you with good health and bright future. As we are in the new year 2021, children, and I am sure you have all enjoyed the last year, means year ending. You can say last year was very horrible. So 25th December and this year New Year celebration you had with your family. After a long time, we got a chance to celebrate something. As we know, we passed through a very horrible year last year, 2020. So, leaving behind all those things, children, now we will focus about our next exam, that is our final exam, which is going to happen in the month of February. So, children, today I am going to teach you grammar way for class standard 2 children. Today I am going to teach grammar way. Today's lesson number 13 I am going to teach you, children. This is in your final exam course. So children, today's lesson is was, were plus verb plus ing. Means today we are going to read about past tense, past continuous tense. So children, let's begin the lesson. We sometimes use was and were with doing what to show that an action was happening at a particular point in time before now. Means when any work or action which had already over or the time has already gone of that action, we say it as past time. Today this lesson is about knowing about past time, how we use in English. So first, here I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing, Arnab was playing, Rashmi was playing. Here you can see was is joined with all this I, he, she, it, Arnab, Rashmi. These are all singular subjects. The beginning part of a sentence with which a sentence begins is called the subject part of the sentence. I, he, she or it. These are four pronouns which we consider to be as singular pronouns. Now Arnab and Rashmi are two nouns. These are all singular nouns. So as you can see, all these six words I, he, she, it, Arnab and Rashmi are singular. So was we can use with them and make it as a past continuous tense sentence. I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing, Arnab was playing, Rashmi was playing. So was is used when the subject like he, she, it, Arnab and Rashmi or any other noun, if it is in singular form, we can use was with them. Now we were playing, you were playing, they were playing, Arnab and Rashmi were playing, the children were playing. You can see we, you, they. These are three plural pronouns. Arnab and Rashmi, name of two girls. You can see in the picture they are playing. And children, we can tell when the more than one child is there, we can say children. So all these five words are in plural form. Three of them are pronouns, two of them are nouns. So when the subject is a plural, we have to use were to make it as a complete past continuous tense sentence. So I were playing, you were playing, they were playing, Arnab and Rasmi, two children name here it is given. They are plural. Were playing. The children were playing. So when the subject is plural, in that case we have to use were. When the subject was plural, we have to use were. When it is in plural, so subject is singular, we have to use was. When the subject is plural, we have to use were. Now some pictures are given, children. Here some lines also given with them. Purab was feeling sleepy in the morning. You can see he was feeling sleepy. So Purab being the singular noun, the subject here is singular. One boy we are talking about, Purab. That's why was feeling. Purab was feeling sleepy in the morning. Now, father was watching a cartoon show in TV. Father also singular, we are talking about one father. That's why was. Father was watching a cartoon show in the morning. So was is used when the subject is singular. Here father is one. We are talking about one father. That's why main verb watching is there along with the helping verb was. Father was watching a cartoon show in the TV. Here they were waiting for the bus at the bus stop. You can see more than one child is there. So three of them are standing here. So we have to use they. They is plural. In plural case, as I told you, where we have to use they were waiting for the bus at the bus stop. Here two children are playing. So we have to use we. We is used when you are there along with another child. We were playing in the park. So we being the plural pronoun, we have to use were, and the main verb or the base verb playing is along with the helping verb were to make the sentence in the past continuous form. Here you can see, children, bit number B. Tick the sentence if it is correct, cross it if it is wrong. First one. We were playing carom at 9 o'clock last night. So here sentence is fully correct. You can see were playing. When the subject we is there, we have to use were. I was watching TV when mother entered the room. Here it is wrong because I is singular pronoun. We cannot use was there. We have to use you have to use was there. Here it is written were. So the sentence is wrong. Third one, they were sleeping when the alarm went off. So they, a plural pronoun, we have to use were, but it is written as was. So the sentence is wrong. Here also the bird were pecking at the window all day long. Here the bird is singular, but here you can see helping verb where is given. So it is wrong. It should be the bird was pecking at the window all day long. So it is cross. Father was ironing his clothes when the doorbell rang. Father being subject, singular subject, we have to use was. It is there, was. So it is correct sentence. The children were playing outside when it began to rain. The children, plural subject, which should be were. So it is there, children were playing. So this sentence is also correct. Third one, we have to use was, were plus ing. Asif and Kunal, you can see both the children name is given, so we should use were, and it is were playing chess when I saw them. Charu was buying shoe when we spotted her. Charu singular, so was is there. So it is correct. Charu was buying shoe when we spotted her. We is plural. We have to use were. We were drinking juice when Ankita spotted by. Here plural we is there. We have to use were. Here fourth one, we were swimming in the lake when I spotted a colorful fish. We also plural, where we have to use, and verb swim will add with ing. So we were swimming in the lake when I spotted a colorful fish. Fifth one, I was studying, spelling mistakes, studying when mother called. I is singular, that's why was, verb ing is added. The children were dancing at 8 o'clock at the party. The children plural were dancing, so it is where is there, because the plural subject is plural children. Children were dancing. Main verb dance will have ing to make it past continuous form of the sentence. This lesson is over, children. It is a very beautiful lesson about past continuous tense, or the time we are talking about in the past time which is already over. This sentence shows that when the subject is singular, we have to use was plus verb ing. When the subject is plural, more than one, we have to use were plus ing. So please watch this video again at home. It is very important. Rest of the exercise part of the lesson I will give you through WhatsApp. Don't worry about that, but try to understand the lesson first. Okay, children? Thank you, children, for watching this video. God bless you. Stay at home, stay healthy.